Hello again from OGS Mechanics Workshop, where today I want to present you a real story. So look, this Lexus ES is being stolen. I mean, imagine the pain on the customer when he came out, wake up in the morning and the car was gone. Luckily, the car had a tracking device fitted on it. Customer managed to locate the car. It was parked in a parking slot not far from his house. Police, they weren't really interested. They said they're gonna put it in a system and let's see if they're gonna find it. So luckily the customer found it, managed to go there, picked it up with his own key. Police did not attend. Unfortunately, it's a scene that we see so often. Police are overcrowded with the work, overloaded with the work, and they cannot attend on such small things they call them. So anyway, we've also said it before on a Lexus RX. It was a similar situation with a customer. There's another video on this topic. A customer being tired of having the bumper ripped off. Now, this car does not have any protection on it, and obviously does not have the alarm upgrade to trigger the alarm when the bumper is pulled off, because this is very common. This is a common style of theft on the Lexus cars, Lexus and Toyotas, where the bumper is pulled off. See, they broke it. I mean, they pull it all apart so they can access the wiring behind the headlight, and that's the way they emulate a key. They replicate a key within the immobiliser system of the car, and then they take the car away. So, what we're gonna do on this car? We'll obviously have to repair the wiring. They cause wiring damage when they pull all this. We have to repair that. We have to resecure the bumper. A couple of brackets they've broken. We're gonna replace them. We're gonna do the alarm upgrades for the bumper. So in the future, obviously, if the bumper is gonna be pulled apart, the alarm is gonna sound. As said even on a previous video, it's quite a big deterrent, but it's not just the only layer of security. So on top of that, we're gonna install the ghost immobiliser. So the car is gonna have 2 layers of security. It also has a tracker. We said that at that stage, that moment in time, the car will be quite secure. But just a glimpse, and imagine customer now is a bit happy because he found it, but is thinking what could have happened. The car could have gone, and you know the headache that you go through with the insurance. You have to wait. You're not gonna receive same money that the car is worth. It's an absolute headache. So the customer is happy in this point of view that managed to recover the car, but he does not want to get again through the same situation. Therefore, we're gonna secure the car for him. So this is how it is now, and let's see how we're gonna make it look like it never happened, and more important, secure the car. Fast forward, we had the car in the workshop. We have first of all installed the ghost immobiliser. Then we resecured the wiring. If you remember, the headlight connector was broken off. It was another wiring from a pedestrian sensor in the bumper that it was broken off. We have repaired those. Luckily, we managed to repair, so we saved the customer some money. We didn't have to buy new parts. The bracket on the bumper has been also resecured. As you can see, is in place. You can barely see that it's been pulled apart. There's a slight damage on the bumper. Unfortunately, it's quite well hidden by the headlight, but this was, you know, the damage that is still left on the vehicle. But now the car is much different than it was before it was attacked. So it has the ghost. This car is not going to get stolen as it was last time. But what we've done, again, similar to the previous RX, is the alarm modification, which I think makes the whole difference. So those cars are attacked this way by pulling the bumper. As I said several times, the wiring get access. You've seen when the car came in. Now, what is going to happen now if this situation is going to reoccur, if someone is going to come to the car to attack it, try to get it started unauthorized, to steal it. And we're just going to show you what is going to happen. So the car is locked, the alarm is armed. When this bumper corner is going to be pulled apart, it's going to trigger the alarm. So just going to show you now. So it's The bumper is only clipped in plastic, so it's so easy to be pulled over, to be pulled out. And here was another debate whether we could have secured much better the bumper to the wing. But then it was the other risk that if we were to do so, when they were coming to pull it apart, if they will see that it's not coming apart, they'll apply more pressure, and by doing so, they will cause more damage. So we left the bumper same as it was, very easy to unclip. But look what happened when they'll try to do this. So you can see at this stage, it's not much damage, and this can be easily secure in place, like nothing has really happened. So, and then they don't have to come to a point where they pull all the bumper aside and start working on it. And also, when the alarm is triggered, as you can hear, the alarm on those cars is very noisy. It's very unlikely they'll carry on to do any work on the car. Furthermore, there's obviously the second layer of security, the ghost immobiliser that is being installed. So at this moment in time, the car is completely transformed from a security point of view, and we recommend that such upgrades, they have to be done on all Toyota and Lexus vehicles, because it's so often that those cars are stolen with this procedure: access on the passenger side, front headlight, ripping the wiring, emulating the key, and obviously taking the car away. So we said even before several times, each car, it has its own weaknesses. So it's not same on, for instance, Range Rover. The Range Rover, they have different weaknesses. They not get stolen throughout different procedure. We in Car Key Solutions and OGS Mechanics spend a lot of time treating those weaknesses and find improvement to overcome those situations. So if you think you find out something useful in this video, share it, because you might save someone a lot of aggravation by avoiding having the car stolen. If you have any queries, we'd like to hear from you. Get in touch. We'll be here more than happy to assist you.